They know we're recording.
Okay, I was like, don't put their face on that couch. It's kind of gross. What happened to Carissa?
She's like, looks like mommy, look. She saw I was recording and she squatted down.
Oh. The hiding from the tranny.
I want to see my pants.
Someone's on Facebook. Let me comment to the tranny on Facebook. Oh. No.
What? I hate that screaming thing so much. I hate it so much.
Is Chris still crying?
She bites everything. Knock it off. I don't know why she thinks.
Did she just hit herself? He tried to hit himself.
I just don't know why she thinks this is her problem right now.
Wait, where's
her shoes?
She's like, gotta get them on.
He's just like, I don't know what the hell's wrong with these girls over here, but...
I don't know what's going on. I got these new shoes. Girls are freaking out.
I'm getting that one on.
Someone help him.
Oh, he'll figure it out.
He's not afraid to get hit.
Shit.
Oh.
Oh, I don't like that you can see my reflection. That's creepy.
What is she doing?
She's probably pooping.
Look,
She goes over like the secret corner when she's...
he's still trying to get it on.
She gets this. I'm hiding, Mom. I'm hiding. Okay, whatever.
Here's Carissa. She's about to pop up.
Use the restroom.
Oh, wait, I hope she's not pooping. Like an animal.
She's like squatting on it.
Melissa.
Gross.
What's going on out here? Why don't you come wear Trey's shoes?
No.
Okay, we'll get over it then. You don't need your shoes. Wear Trey's shoes. We share in this house. Yep, we share.
Yeah. This is like... What is she doing over there?
Just squatting. I don't know.
Ew, look at Ava. She's tired.
This is amazing. They're wearing themselves out crying.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
There's a snake!
Oh my god, where?
Get in here!
Run now! Ava! Watch out, where?
It's over there!
Okay, hold on. Stop. Just stop. Get over here. Come here now.
Get over here, now! Ava, run!
Inside, now. Now.
Get over here!
Now!